Good morning, students. So in the last lecture, we revised the chapter Q basic. Have you revised the questions once again?
Good morning, ma'am.
Revised?
Yes, ma'am.
Who all have revised? Raise
Yes,
your
ma'am.
hand. Raise your
Yes,
hand.
ma'am. We have revised.
All the questions that we have covered yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have covered till the statement circle.
Yes, ma'am. We have covered till circle statement.
So color
Yes,
statement,
ma'am.
syntax of color, meaning of color, then screen, then we discussed line statement and circle along with its syntax and example. So I hope example, syntax and meaning, all the three things are clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, so let's
Yes,
start
ma'am.
from the next topic now. And you know the syllabus of revision test 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, revision test 1 is of chapter Q basic, both the chapters of Q basic and chapter number
Yes,
1.
ma'am. And first.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to start with the paint statement today. Paint statement, what is the use of paint? Paint statement is used to fill an object with the color. Anji, speak after me, learn with me, hurry up. Paint statement is used to fill an object with color.
Different colors.
Right. What is the syntax of paint? Paint.
And
Then
the
you will
syntax
be
is
giving the coordinate, color,
then color, then border color.
border color. Clear? And in the syntax, you will tell here
XY are the coordinates.
X, Y are the coordinates,
Coordinates.
are the center coordinates. All right, or you can simply write coordinates. It is also correct. Any doubt in the syntax of paint? Paint statement is used to fill an object with the color. Syntax is paint, XY, color, border color, where XY are the coordinates. Let's look at the example now. Paint. Now you will give the color and then the border color कौन सा होगा जो आप circle statement के ऊपर use कर रहे होगे. Circle का हम
Yes,
border
ma'am.
बनाते हैं, हमने कल discuss किया था, हम उसका एक border color set करेंगे. So whatsoever the border
Yes,
color
ma'am.
you will give, so that is the border color for the paint also, right? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Next are the sound statements in Q basic. So first statement is beep.
Beep statement.
First statement is beep. So beep statement is used to add,
Beep sound in the
Sound.
program.
it is used to add beep sound in program. Simply what you have to write,
Beep.
beep, right? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear? The second
Yes, ma'am.
statement is
Yes, ma'am.
play. Play statement is used to generate
Musical notes.
musical notes. It is used to generate musical notes. The syntax is, what is the syntax of play? We have already
Play.
done in the class. Play. Then inside the double
Then,
quotes, what you will write?
Ma'am, A, E, B, E,
ma'am,
C,
B.
That
E.
is, no, that is the example. Whatever you are telling, that is the example. वो तो example है. Yes, we will be including some string, a combination of
And
characters.
strings.
String means a combination of characters. So you can give any combination. I have told you the alphabets कि कहाँ से लेके कहाँ तक आपकी वैल्यू जा सकती है. 4 से लेके 64 multiples I have told you ना in the class. So play A4, B8, C16. So like this, you can give any combination of string. आप अल्फाबेट्स और उसकी न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू को कंबाइन करके यू कैन गिव अ स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू. ओके, सो
मैम जो अल्फाबेट्स होंगे स्ट्रिंग के मैम वो कहाँ तक होंगे ए से?
that is from A to F. Okay, and 4 to 64 means multiple of 4. It will be the multiple of 4. So play statement is used to generate musical notes. Syntax is play string. Beep statement is used to add beep sound in the program. Syntax is beep. So this covers our chapter number 5. So any doubt in chapter 5, all the questions, all the possible commands we have discussed. So I hope you people are revising it side by side. Are you?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay, so any doubt?
No,
No
ma'am.
ma'am.
This chapter is clear?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not writing the syntax. What are you doing on the system? Come forward. Where you have written the syntax of play? हाँ जी, क्या कह रहे हो? कब? जब मैं इसको इरेज कर दूंगी. आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर एंड यू आर सेइंग मैं भी लिखना है. जब रिवाइज करें तब क्या कर रहे हो? वेस्टिंग द टाइम. पता नहीं है रिवीजन टेस्ट का भी कितना सिलेबस पड़ा है रिवाइज करने वाला. राइट. Now the next chapter, that is chapter number 6. So in this we have to do limited syllabus, limited topics are there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
मैम एक बार आप पेंट स्टेटमेंट बता दोगे फिर से?
कौन सी बच्चे?
मैम पेंट स्टेटमेंट.
Paint statement is used to fill any object with color. For example, आपने कल सर्कल ड्रॉ किया था with the help of the circle statement. तो उस सर्कल के अंदर जब आपने कलर फिल करना है, क्योंकि सर्कल सिर्फ आउटलाइन कलर सेट करेगा, एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर देगा और सर्कल का एक बॉर्डर कलर सेट कर देगा, पर उसके अंदर फिल कलर नहीं करेगा. So whenever we want to fill the color inside that circle, we have to use a paint statement for that. पहले आप लिखोगे सर्कल की स्टेटमेंट, तो उससे सर्कल ड्रॉ हो जाएगा. उसके नेक्स्ट लाइन में आप लिखोगे पेंट की स्टेटमेंट, जिसकी हेल्प से आप पेंट फिल करोगे इनसाइड योर सर्कल. ओके
मैम जैसे कि अगर एक क्वेश्चन है डिफाइन पेंट स्टेटमेंट एंड राइट इट इन सिंटैक्स, मैम हमने इसके साथ एग्जांपल लिखनी है उसकी?
यस, यू हैव टू डू.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Okay, now the next are first question, that is what are control statements? What are control statements? Yes, give answer. What are control statements?
Control statements are used to flow the data execution.
Yes, any other answer?
Ma'am, control statements are used to control the flow of data.
Very good. So control statements are the statements with the help of which you control the execution of the flow of statements in your program. How the statements will work, in which order they will execute, all these are to be specified in the control statements. Right? Name two types of control statements. कौन सी control statements हैं?
If then else statement and select case statement.
Yes. If, then 3 dots, then if, then else statement, and the second one is select
case statement.
Okay, clear?
Yes ma'am.
Write the syntax of if, then else.
If condition, then
Ma'am, if
statement.
condition statement, then we have to write the else, then again statement, and then
Now
and
one
if.
thing, in your notebooks, when I have checked the notebooks, so many problems are there in this question. because you people are not writing in the way it is given in the book or in the way I have told you in the class. You people are writing the syntax in one line. कहीं पे ब्रेक नहीं कर रहे हो, कहीं पे लाइन को शिफ्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, एक ही लाइन में कॉन्टिन्यूटी में लिखते जा रहे हो. दैट इज रॉन्ग. मैं दोबारा से अब सिंटेक्स लिख के बता रही हूँ कैपिटल्स में. सो नोट डाउन इट प्रॉपरली सो दैट इट वोंट बी एनी मिस्टेक नाउ. ऑलराइट, किसी ने भी एक लाइन में कॉन्टिन्यूटी में नहीं लिखना इसको. इट शुड, जहां पे मैंने एंटर किया आपने भी उसको नेक्स्ट लाइन में लेके जाना है. जिस लाइन में जो लिख रही हूँ वैसे ही लिखना है. गॉट इट? सो इफ
Yes, ma'am.
कंडीशन देन, बस पहली लाइन में इतना ही आएगा आपका. इफ कंडीशन देन, फर्स्ट लाइन में सिर्फ इतना ही दोगे. गो टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन, गिव सम स्पेस एंड राइट स्टेटमेंट्स. मैं आपको बुक से सिंप्लीफाई करके दे रही हूँ यहाँ पे सिंटेक्स. नो नीड टू लर्न इट फ्रॉम द बुक. एल्स अगेन गो टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन, गिव सम स्पेस, स्टेटमेंट्स, and here you have to end it. So this is the exact syntax of the if then else. So you have to write it like this only. जहां पे मैंने जितनी स्पेस छोड़ी है वैसे ही आपने स्पेस देके लिखना है. इफ एल्स और एंड एक ही लाइन में आएंगे, एक सिमेट्रिकल वे में फॉलो करेंगे, राइट. देन के बाद यू हैव टू शिफ्ट टू द लाइन. स्टेटमेंट्स के बाद अगेन यू हैव टू शिफ्ट टू द न्यू लाइन. So any doubt in the three questions? Any doubt?
No,
All
ma'am.
the three questions are clear? Okay, which clause is optional?
Else clause is optional.
Which clause is optional in if then else? That is
Else.
else. Else clause is optional. हमने क्वेश्चन किया था ना, अगर मैं सिर्फ एज इक्वल टू ग्रेटर देन 18 कर रही हूँ और मैं प्रिंट कर रही हूँ लेकिन मैं एल्स पार्ट में कुछ दे ही नहीं रही हूँ, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग इट्स फॉल्स क्राइटेरिया. So that means we can just give the true criteria also with the help of the if, when you need not to specify the else. Right? The topic is clear. Okay, now the next one, the last one. What is the use of if then else statement? Use of if then else statement. Hanji, what is the use of if then else?
Ma'am, this statement is used to take decisions.
Yes, if then else statement is used to take decisions depending upon the condition. It
Specific
is used
condition.
to take decisions. It is used to take decisions depending upon the conditions. All right.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
statement is used to take decisions depending upon some condition. Clear? Yes, Aditya.
मैं वो गलती से पहले की हैंड देखता हूँ. नो डाउट.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
So clear till now both the chapters, chapter number 5 and 6 in the revision
Yes,
test.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter number
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
5 and 6. है ना? Test of chapter 1, 5 and 6. So that's why we are going to start with chapter 1 now. We have already revised chapter 5 and 6. So I hope all the topics are clear from both the chapters.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let's
Topics are
start
clear.
with the chapter 1 now. Come to the chapter 1.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. Please don't erase
Okay.
chapter
Okay.
number 6 questions.
Which give me some other book. The page is not there. Chapter 1. आपके पास है बच्चे बुक लास्ट? डू यू हैव अ बुक?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बच्चे.
मैम जो चैप्टर 1 है मैम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, मैम उसमें टेबल आएंगे जैसे इनपुट, मैम इनपुट का क्या डिवाइसेस है मैम आएंगे?
It can be anything. You just have to go through the full chapter. The question can be in any format. I'm not supposed to tell the questions here, that which
Okay.
question is to be in the exam.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
I'm done.
मैम देवा जो आपने अभी लिखा है उसको दोबारा समझा सकते हो?
हाँ जी बच्चे,
मैम जो आपने अभी लिखा है 6 चैप्टर का, मैम ये दोबारा समझा सकते हो?
which thing, which question you want to ask?
मैम सिंटैक्स ऑफ इफ देन एल्स।
I told ki syntax you have to write it like this way, because in the notebooks I found some of the students have written in a single line and that is wrong. आप सिंगल लाइन में नहीं पूरा सिंटेक्स लिख दोगे. अगर मैंने देन के बाद न्यू लाइन लगाई है तो आप भी न्यू लाइन में ही स्टेटमेंट्स दोगे. देन स्टेटमेंट्स के बाद अगेन इट विल गो टू द एल्स पार्ट, द फॉल्स पार्ट, क्योंकि ट्रू होता है, एल्स क्या होता है, फॉल्स. तो एल्स पे जब जाएंगे अगेन यू हैव टू शिफ्ट द लाइन एंड स्टेटमेंट्स विल बी रिटन इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन. Okay, and at last there will be a end this. Clear, Smart? Okay, so chapter 1 now.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. मैम एक टाइम आप लाइक चैप्टर नंबर 1 की रिवीजन के बाद इफ देन एल्स स्टेटमेंट का एक टाइम प्रैक्टिकल करवा सकते हो? मैम जिस दिन आपने करवाया था उस दिन मैम मेरा नेटवर्क इशू था, मैम कनेक्टिंग
आपने बाद में
आती
वीडियो,
रहती थी।
आपने लेक्चर नहीं देखा जो अपलोड करते हैं यूट्यूब पे?
यस मैम, मैम
Parents
उसमें
की
मुझे जा क्लैरिटी नहीं हुई, मैम क्लैरिटी नहीं हुई थी, तो
Okay,
मैं
so when
इसलिए
we will
एक टाइम
cover with the
explain
chapter
करना
1, after that we will do. Once we just
ओके मैम,
finish our syllabus.
ओके मैम,
Okay.
ओके मैम।
Already we have done this chapter earlier too in the term 1, so just going to revise the basics once again. So define input output process. I hope all these 3 terms are clear to you people. What is input?
यस मैम।
The data which is entered into the computer, that is called input. And what is output? The data that we, or the results that we get from the computer, that is the output. And what is process?
Yes, ma'am.
Process means
Manipulation of data is
data
called
means
process.
processing of the input data. Whatever the input we have done to the computer, we need to process that data, that is called a process. Okay. Now what are hardware? Define hardware. Hanji, hardware are the physical components that we can see and touch, जिनको हम देख सकते हैं, touch कर सकते हैं, that are the hardware. Right? Categories of hardware. What are
There are
the
4
categories of
categories:
hardware?
input devices, output devices, processing devices, and storage devices.
Good. Input device, output device, storage device, and processing device.
Processing
Now
device.
name the input devices.
Keyboard,
Name input
mouse,
devices.
joystick, trackball, microphone, scanner, webcam, etc.
Correct. What is keyboard?
A device through which we can
Device
type.
with
Ma'am,
the
a
help of
device
it.
through which we can
Keyboard.
type.
Yes. Name
A
output
device.
devices.
Ma'am, output devices are
printer,
monitor,
plotter.
projector, printer, speakers, plotters, etc.
Yes. Monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, projector. Name the processing device.
And processing devices CPU.
CD, DD.
Processing device.
Ma'am,
CPU.
processing devices CPU.
CPU. Processing devices, CPU. Storage devices.
CD, pen
Ma'am,
drive,
CD,
pen
DVD,
drive, hard disk.
Ma'am, hard disk.
CD, DVD,
Right?
pen drive, hard
तो ये
disk.
सारी आपके storage devices हैं. Components
Yes,
of CPU. What are the components of CPU?
Ma'am, ALU, CU, MU. ALU arithmetic and logic unit. CU is control unit and MU is memory unit.
memory unit.
Yes, 3 components of CPU are ALU, MU, and CU. Arithmetic logic unit, memory unit, control unit. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing? आपको मैंने बोला बच्चे आगे आ जाओ. This boy. So components of CPU: arithmetic logic unit, MU memory unit, CU control unit. Okay. What is the full form of CD?
Compact
Compact
disc.
disc. DVD,
Digital versatile disc.
digital versatile disc, or you can write digital video disc. Both are correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Name the types of
Ma'am,
software.
in disc, ma'am, in disc,
Systems.
I think C is there.
Both are correct.
In disc.
Both are
Okay,
correct.
ma'am.
Types of software. Application
System
software.
software, application
System
software,
software,
utility
and
software.
utility software. So 3 types are system, application, and utility. Now what are
Utility.
softwares? What are softwares?
Ma'am, collection of computer programs used to provide instructions to a computer.
Good. Software is a collection of computer programs that is used to give some instructions according to which a computer will perform. Okay. Now, next is types of system software.
Ma'am, operating system. Ma'am,
Types
language
of system
processor.
software is operating system, language processors, right?
And utility
Utility.
softwares.
So types of operating system. Next is what are the types of
Single
operating
user
system?
operating
Single user
system,
operating system, multi-user operating system, and multitasking operating system.
Single user operating system means in which there will be one user only that is used to work on the computer. The example of single user operating system.
Is DOS, disk operating system.
Yes. So single user operating system के example है DOS. Multi-user means where the multiple users are allowed to work simultaneously at the same time. The examples of multi-user operating system are Unix, and
Unix and Linux.
yes. Multitasking, where a computer can perform more than one task at a time, more than one application can be performed at a time. So that is a multitasking operating system.
Operating
The
system.
example is Windows.
Windows.
Example is Windows, right? Now next is examples of operating system. Examples of
Ma'am,
operating
Microsoft
system.
Windows, Linux,
Microsoft,
Unix,
Linux, Windows.
iOS.
So in this
DOS.
you can randomly write the examples, right? Okay, next is name the utilities.
backup utility,
file
Ma'am,
manager,
backup
antivirus,
utility,
segmenters,
antivirus, data compression,
backup
file
antivirus,
managers,
data
disk
compression.
management, and
So
network
utilities
network
utilities.
are
utilities,
backup utility, antivirus, compression, network utilities, file managers, disk management. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Name various application softwares.
Ma'am,
General purpose
customized
application
software and general
customized
purpose application software.
So application softwares are of two types, that is general purpose application softwares and customized softwares. The two types of the application software are general purpose application softwares or customized.
Customized softwares.
Customized
What is the
software.
other name of customized softwares?
Tailor-made
Ma'am,
software.
tailor-made softwares.
So other name of customized software is tailor-made.
Tailor-made software.
Tailor-made software.
Various general purpose application softwares are
Word
Word
processing
processing
software,
software,
electronic
electronic
spreadsheet,
software,
presentation graphics software,
presentation graphics
database
software,
management,
database
DBMS.
management
system.
system,
word processing softwares. Examples of word processing softwares.
MS
Ma'am,
Word,
MS Word, Open Office
Office
Writer,
Writer,
Word
Open
Perfect,
Office
Word
Writer,
Star,
etc.
WordPad.
Examples
etc.
of word processing software: MS Word, Open Office Writer, Abby Word, WordStar, Word Perfect, right? Examples of spreadsheet. Examples of
Ma'am,
spreadsheet.
Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Open Office Calc, etc.
Right. So spreadsheet
I have a doubt.
softwares, the examples of spreadsheet. OpenOffice Calc, Excel, VisiCalc, QuarkProc, GNumeric. Next, the examples of presentation softwares.
MS
Microsoft
Microsoft
PowerPoint,
PowerPoint,
OpenOffice
OpenWorks,
Impress, Apple
etc.
Keynote, etc.
Apple Keynote, PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Impress, freelance graphics. Example of DBMS softwares.
Microsoft
Microsoft
Access,
Access,
Oracle,
Microsoft
Foxpro,
Oracle,
OpenOffice,
Oracle, Foxpro, OpenOffice
MSSS,
Base.
Oracle,
Base,
Base.
OpenOffice Base.
DBMS की full form,
Database
Database
Management System.
Management System.
database management system. Four
System.
types of number system.
Decimal number system, octal number system, binary number system,
Binary
and
number system,
hexadecimal number
hexadecimal
system.
number system.
Decimal number system whose base will be 10. 10 means
10,
0 to 9. 10 means
9,
0 to
0 to
9.
9.
0 to
Octal
9.
number system, the base is 8. So that
Ma'am,
means
8.
0 to
0 to 7.
7.
binary number system.
2.
Two.
Base is 2.
Base
That
is
is
2,
1 and 0.
1
0
and
and 1.
yes.
0 and
Hexadecimal
1.
number system.
Ma'am, base is 16.
Base is 16.
0 to
0
9 and
15.
A to F.
0 to
A to F.
15.
Right. That is
0
0 to
to 9 and
15.
A to
Base is 16. That will be 0 to 15. But in the digits, we are just having up to 9. That means 0 to 9. So from starting with the 10, we have to include the alphabets. That is A to F. Okay.
F.
Who
Yes,
gave
ma'am.
the concept of 0?
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta gave the concept of 0.
0.
0.
Right? Now, when you have to convert a decimal number into the binary system, जब आपको decimal से binary में जाना है, that means आप decimal से binary में convert करो, that means you are converting base 10 into the base 2. So what you have to do?
2.
You have to divide the number by 2. Firstly, you have to divide the number by 2. Okay.
2.
Now, whatever the remainders are there, now remainders will always be in the 0 or 1. So you have
1.
to write the remainders in reverse order, that is from bottom to up. Remember, जब हम
Okay, ma'am.
conversion करते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
so firstly we will
Yes,
divide the
ma'am.
number by 2. आपने जब तक पूरा लास्ट तक कर लिया, लास्ट में या 0 या 1 आ जाएगा, तो फिर आप लास्ट में बॉटम से रिवर्स ऑर्डर में, मींस you will start from the bottom to and go up to the up. So this way you are going to write the binary number. All right,
Yes, ma'am.
clear? Next conversion is binary to decimal. So in binary to decimal, the procedure is, what is the procedure in binary to decimal?
And
We
we have
have
to
to-
multiply each binary digit
Yes,
with multiples
multiply-
of 2.
Multiples of 2. Increase the power of
Yes, multiply
One
each
by
digit
one.
with 2, then apply the powers from which side?
Ma'am,
From right side.
left-
From
Right
right side to left side. From
Apply
right to
the
left
powers
side.
from right side, starting from 0.
0.
आपने जैसे जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करा 2 के साथ, 2 raised to power 0, then 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, से ऐसे आपके जितना लास्ट नंबर है आपकी पावर इंक्रीज होते जाएगी. Clear? Starting
Yes,
from
ma'am.
0. For example, who is speaking at the back end? Some child is speaking. Whosoever this, mute your mic. So for example, if I'm having the number like 100, and this is in, right now I can't write the base, so I'm just writing like this, but आपने ऐसे नहीं लिखना, पता है ना आपको, आपने base में लिखना है. Clear? So what we have to do? We have to multiply each number with 2. Okay, then 0 into 2, again 0 into 2. उसके बाद अब यहाँ पे आपकी powers आएंगे. Powers I can't write here because I'm not having a feature here. So what you will do? So same way you are going to expand all the digits. राइट ये मैंने एक्सपैंड कर लिया। अब यहाँ पे राइट साइड से मैं पावर लगाऊंगी 2 की। फर्स्टली 2 रेज टू पावर 0, देन यहाँ पे 2 रेज टू पावर 1, 2 रेज टू पावर 2, 2 रेज टू पावर 3, 2 रेज टू पावर 4 एंड लास्ट इज 2 रेज टू पावर 5। तो 2 रेज टू पावर 5 तक ये आपकी पावर्स यहाँ पे एक्सपैंड हो रही है। आफ्टर दैट 2 रेज टू पावर 5 मीन्स 2 रेज टू पावर 5 मीन्स 2 को आपने 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो दैट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट विल बी द आंसर?
मैम 32।
That is 32. Okay, that
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be 32. So same way आप बाकी को एक्सपैंड कर लोगे। अब 0 के साथ जो चीज मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है वो तो 0 ही रहेगी, ठीक है। उसके नेक्स्ट वाला भी आपका 0 ही रहेगा। 2, अब यहाँ पे पावर आ रही है 0, 1, 2, 2 रेज टू पावर 2, दैट इज 4, ठीक है। यहाँ पे वी आर गेटिंग 4। नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट अगेन वी आर गेटिंग 0, अगेन वी आर गेटिंग 0, so 32 plus 4 we will get 36. So equivalent decimal of this is 36. Clear how to do this conversion?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubt? 2 raised to power 0 means 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1.
1.
1।
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बच्चे।
मैम जो वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है, हम उसमें ये वाले एग्जांपल लिख सकते हैं नोटपैड?
नो, नोटपैड इज नॉट अ वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर। आप नोटपैड में फॉर्मेटिंग कर सकते हो, उसमें तो कोई फॉर्मेटिंग
No,
फीचर ही
ma'am.
नहीं अवेलेबल है, उसमें तो सिर्फ टाइपिंग ही
ma'am.
पॉसिबल है। सो नोटपैड इज अ टेक्स्ट एडिटर, नॉट अ वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग। वर्ड पैड को आप वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग में ले सकते हो क्योंकि उसमें फिर भी थोड़े से फीचर्स होते हैं प्रोसेसिंग करने के लिए, बट इन नोटपैड यू जस्ट able to type, so that's why the no formatting feature is available, so that is a text editor.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Any other doubt if you're having? So we have revised the test, revision test 1 syllabus, that is chapter number 1 and 5 and 6. All these 3 chapters we have covered. Yes, Saksham.
यस मैम। मैम जो हम डेसिमल टू बाइनरी में करते हैं, तो जो मैम हमने साइड में लिखना होता है बाइनरी में, तो वो मैम रिमाइंडर्स होते हैं सबके?
वो क्या होते हैं?
रिमाइंडर होते हैं मैम?
Yes, yes, that is a reminders. हमने reminders को आंसर्स में लेना है।
एंड मैम एक टाइम आप वो क्यू बेसिक वाली एक्टिविटी करवा दो।
For example, I am writing a program here using the input statement where I am going to enter marks. Okay, so this way I am going to enter the marks using the input statement. So M is having a marks here. Now I am going to apply the if then else. I am saying if marks is greater than equal to 60, अगर तो किसी बच्चे के मार्क्स ग्रेटर हैं या इक्वल हैं 60 से, तो फिर क्या हो? Then it should print, but it should print anything,
Student is
any
pass.
message you want to print, that student is pass or student is
Student is-
securing good. So whatever the message you want to print, you have to print inside the print statement. Else means अगर वो statement false है, yes, अगर m की वैल्यू greater than or equal to 60 नहीं है, तो फिर क्या हो? Print average or print fail, whatever the thing you want to print, you can print it like this. So this way you have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
type the program. Means if में आप
Okay,
true
ma'am.
condition check कर रहे हो, अगर तो condition true है तो then वाला चलेगा। अगर condition false हो जाती है, अगर आपके मार्क्स 60 से ज्यादा नहीं है, 60 से कम है, तो फिर आपका कौन सा पार्ट एग्जीक्यूट होगा? else पार्ट। उस केस में फिर एवरेज प्रिंट होगा। whatever the things you will write inside the else statement, those statements will be executed.
Yes, ma'am.
No comma, it is a relational symbol. Clear है बच्चे? Any doubt? So fully
No,
3
ma'am.
chapters are revised
No.
properly. सबको अच्छे से आ गए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
टेस्ट अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बच्चे, take care. God
मैम
bless.
टाइमिंग्स क्या है टेस्ट के?
बच्चे the same timings. I think the same on same timings. 5 o'clock आपको टेस्ट आता है ना? That should
Yes,
be.
Yes, ma'am.
Still, if
And
any
ma'am,
information will be
we
there, I will
have,
let you know.
ma'am, what is the duration of the test?
40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. The information, the details of the test will be intimated to you in the group. Okay, once it will be finalized.
Ma'am, we have to send to you the test.
Yes, yes, yes. All the information will be sent to you regarding the test. No worries, test is on coming Monday. अभी आप पहले अपना कल के टेस्ट की प्रिपरेशन करो. कौन से सब्जेक्ट का है कल?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, science का.
हाँ,
Fine.
Ma'am घबराए हुए हैं सारे.
चलो. Okay बच्चे, take care.